Welcome to our deep dive into Lenovo's newest powerhouse, the V15 Business Laptop. Whether you're a business professional, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for high-performance computing, this laptop is designed with you in mind. Let's explore how Lenovo has combined durability, performance, and cutting-edge features in one sleek machine. First, let's talk about the sleek design of the Lenovo V15. Sporting a 15.6-inch Full HD display, this laptop offers sharp visuals and a crystal-clear viewing experience, perfect for long workdays or video conferencing. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080, your content will pop on screen. Now, onto the powerhouse under the hood, an Intel 4-core processor. This chip ensures you get maximum efficiency whether you're multitasking, running demanding software, or crunching large datasets. Paired with an impressive 32 GB of RAM, lag is a thing of the past. You can have multiple applications open, stream videos, and still experience smooth operation. Storage is essential, and the Lenovo V15 delivers with a massive 1 TB SSD. Not only do you have the space to store all your important files, but SSD technology also guarantees faster boot times and data access. Need more space? No problem. Lenovo has included WOWPC 500 GB external storage to give you that extra boost. Plus, with Ethernet RJ45, you're ready for fast, reliable wired internet access wherever you are. One of the standout features of this laptop is its military-grade durability. Tested to withstand extreme conditions, the Lenovo V15 is built to last, whether you're working from a bustling coffee shop, traveling for business, or facing tough environments. This laptop can handle it all. Lenovo has equipped the V15 with Windows 11 Pro, offering advanced security features and smooth integration with business apps. From BitLocker encryption to seamless remote access tools, Windows 11 Pro ensures that your business stays protected and efficient. So, there you have it. The Lenovo V15 Business Laptop checks all the boxes: performance, durability, and functionality. Whether you're a multitasker, a frequent traveler, or someone who demands a reliable business laptop, this machine is built for you. With its military-grade durability, cutting-edge performance, and impressive storage options, the Lenovo V15 is a true workhorse that won't let you down. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Have any questions or thoughts on the Lenovo V15? Drop them in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more tech insights. See you in the next video.